Hi, my name is Kai Tossing. I'm Head of Product Management for Business Communication at Sennheiser and welcome you at ISE 2020 in Amsterdam. We're introducing the 4.0 version as a beta version here at ISE of the Sennheiser Control Cockpit. Sennheiser Control Cockpit is a management solution for hundreds of microphones, keeping a track of all the microphones and devices on a campus, where the dashboard shows you the overview about the 30,000 foot level if everything is going right, about the RF status, batteries in use and batteries in chargers. You have easy access to hundreds of devices on your entire campus. Quick identification with search functions, filter modes, or even true hardware-software interaction makes it really easy to interact with the product. So you can multi-select each of these devices and have full engagement with all of the products, be it a ceiling microphone for seamless integration and setup, or be it a wireless microphone receivers, also now featuring the new SpeechLine digital wireless multi-channel receiver, which is optimized for IoT integration. Security is a key thing also for Sennheiser, and we address this with a dedicated roadmap. So all of our new products speak certification standards like 802.1x or SSL encryption for the user front end. So for more information on that, visit by our booth, download the demo, which is free of charge. You can play with it as if you would have hardware, or come to Sennheiser.com for more information.